Hello tool lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're revealing 20 genius woodworking tools on the market you need now. From smart cutting gadgets to powerful workshop upgrades, these tools are designed to save time, boost precision, and make every DIY project easier and more professional. Whether you're a beginner or a master craftsman, these amazing woodworking innovations are definitely worth checking out. Roofing Nailer, the Stafanailer N VH45. Roofing Nailer is a powerful yet affordable pneumatic tool designed for roofing shingles, wool sheathing, and underlayment projects. Built with a lightweight aluminum alloy body, it delivers durability without adding extra weight during long jobs. Its 120 coil nail magazine and side-loading canister make reloading quick and simple. Operating between 70 to 120 pounds per square inch, this nailer provides reliable firing power and smooth depth control. Perfect for DIY users, home renovators, and budget-conscious contractors needing dependable roofing performance every day. Handsaw. The Jorgensen 15-inch handsaw is a compact yet powerful cutting tool designed for fast and aggressive performance. Its 15-inch high-carbon steel blade with triple-ground 8 TPI teeth delivers smooth, rapid cuts through wood, PVC, plywood, and wall panels. The induction-hardened teeth stay sharp longer, while the anti-rust coating improves durability. Built-in 45-degree and 90-degree guides help with quick measurements, and the ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue during extended use. Perfect for carpenters, DIY ears, and workshop projects. Wheel Marking Gauge. The Clarke Brothers. Wheel Marking Gauge is a precision woodworking tool built for ultra-clean layout lines and flawless joinery. Its razor-sharp wheel cutter slices wood fibers cleanly, preventing tear-out and fuzzy marks common with traditional gauges. Featuring dual metric and imperial scales, an anti-roll brass fence, and an anti-wobble guide bar, it delivers exceptional accuracy on dovetails, mortises, and tenons. The lightweight design, retractable cutter, and included replacement wheels make it a reliable companion for both professional woodworkers and serious DIY craftsmen. Stair Tread Template Tool. The Staxon Stair Tread Template Tool is a genius measuring jig designed for perfect stair and flooring installations. Its 6-fold adjustable design easily captures irregular angles, warped walls, and uneven stair layouts with impressive accuracy. Built from durable impact-resistant polymer, it features hidden slide rail screws and ergonomic flat knobs for smooth operation. This versatile 6-in-1 tool works as a stair template, angle finder, tile guide, and layout ruler. Ideal for carpenters, remodelers, and DIY woodworkers who demand precise cuts and professional-looking results every time. Woodworker's Vise. The Olympia tools. Woodworker's Vise is a reliable and affordable bench vise built for woodworking, furniture repairs, and everyday carpentry tasks. Featuring a strong 30,000 pounds per square inch cast iron body, it delivers excellent durability and stability during heavy clamping. Its 6.5-inch jaws open up to 7.5 inches, while twin steel guide bars prevent twisting for smooth operation. The integrated metal dog and pre-drilled jaw holes add extra versatility, making this vise a practical choice for hobbyists and DIY woodworkers seeking dependable workshop performance. Measuring tape. The Probon stainless steel. Measuring tape is a rugged, waterproof tool designed for professionals and DIY users working in harsh environments. Its open-frame hollow casing prevents mud, sand, and water buildup, while the stainless steel construction resists rust and corrosion. Featuring double-sided metric and imperial markings, a powerful magnetic base, and a smooth auto-locking mechanism, it delivers accurate one-handed measurements with ease. Perfect for construction, plumbing, masonry, and coastal projects, this tape measure stays reliable where ordinary tapes quickly fail.
ThinRip Guide. The Woodpeckers. ThinRip Guide, TRG, from Woodpeckers is a precision table saw accessory built for safe, repeatable, thin strip cutting. Its off-cut side stop prevents dangerous binding, while a dual bearing system ensures smooth, accurate guidance. Capable of cutting strips from ultra-thin sizes up to 1 1/4 inches, it features laser-engraved scales for quick setup. Crafted from anodized aluminum, it offers durability, stability, and universal compatibility with standard miter slots for professional woodworking tasks. "90-degree corner" clamp. The CNQLIS stainless steel 90-degree corner clamp is a high-quality tool designed to hold materials at a precise 90-degree angle, ideal for woodworking, welding, and DIY projects. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and ensures long-lasting use. The adjustable swivel jaw accommodates different material thicknesses, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Suitable for various projects, from framing and furniture assembly to picture frames and fish tanks. The clamp comes in open and closed styles, includes fixing holes for bench mounting, and is compact and lightweight for easy handling. Duo-sided vacuum pad. The Virutex Duo-sided vacuum pad SVN 250-. DUO is a powerful pneumatic clamping solution that holds workpieces securely without traditional clamps. Featuring suction on both sides, it locks onto the workbench and the material at the same time, even vertically. Designed for smooth, non-porous surfaces, it provides strong, mark-free fixation ideal for finished pieces. With customizable suction zones, expandable setup options, and professional-grade holding force, it's perfect for precision trimming, banding, and detailed woodworking tasks. Shelf Pin Jig. The RUITOOL Shelf Pin Jig is a rugged, all-metal solution for drilling perfectly spaced shelf pin holes and installing 35mm concealed hinges. Made from high-strength aluminum, it features built-in clamping for fast, accurate setup without extra tools. Dual 1/4 inch and 5mm bushings support metric and imperial pins, while adjustable setbacks, depth control, and an alignment pin ensure consistent results. Drill up to 11 holes per pass for maximum efficiency. Platinum 3007 in 1 saw. The ROTORAZER Platinum 3007 in 1 saw is a compact powerhouse built to handle almost any cutting job with one tool. Its 500-watt motor spins at 4,500 RPM, slicing cleanly through wood, metal, tile, plastic, and more. Designed to replace multiple saws, it cuts straight, curved, vertical, or upside down with ease. Adjustable depth control, enhanced safety features, and a dust extraction system make it ideal for fast, clean, and precise DIY or renovation projects. Stair Tread Template Tool. The Sun LF Prod. Stair Tread Template Tool is a precision, adjustable gauge built from aviation-grade aluminum for fast, accurate stair layouts. Its extendable sliders adapt to a wide range of tread widths, while pivoting arms lock in exact angles for perfect transfers. Laser-etched metric and imperial scales ensure accuracy, and the damping washer system holds shape securely. Ideal for stairs, shelves, flooring, and trim work. It saves time, reduces waste, and delivers consistent professional results. Microsquare. The Woodpeckers. Microsquare is a compact, ultra-precise layout tool built for tight spaces and fine joinery where standard squares fall short. Small enough for a pocket, yet machined to professional tolerances, it excels at dovetails, mortises, and detailed setups. With interchangeable stainless steel blades, a durable brass knob, and lifetime guaranteed accuracy, it delivers big performance in a tiny shop-ready package, proudly made in the USA. Measurer GAM, Duhaka, Gatos Ugbente. The Bosch Angle. Measurer GAM 220 is a professional digital angle finder built for speed, accuracy, and durability on demanding job sites. It delivers precise angle calculations up to 220 degrees with plus or minus 0.1 degree accuracy, features a locking screw for reliable transfer, and an illuminated rotating display for clear visibility. With memory and hold functions, integrated leveling vials, leg extension, and rugged IP54 housing, it's ideal for construction and woodworking professionals. Shelf Jig. The Milescraft 1 343. Shelf Jig is a precise, durable drilling template for professional quality shelf pin holes with standard 32mm spacing in cabinets, closets, and bookshelves. Its clear polycarbonate body ensures full visibility for accurate layout, while 7 hardened steel bushings guide straight, consistent holes. Dual diameters support 1/4 inch and 5mm pins. Features include repositionable fences for 37mm or 64mm setbacks, indexing pins for continuous rows, centering notches for alignment, a depth stop for consistent drilling, and integrated storage. The kit includes all drill bits, pins, hex key, and fence for ready-to-use convenience. Folding saddle squares. The Woodpeckers. Folding saddle squares are precision layout tools with a hinge design that wraps around corners, allowing accurate transfer of lines from one face to an adjacent face in a single motion. Their adjustable hinge supports multiple angles, ideal for tenons, cross dowels, and angled joints. Milled from solid aluminum, anodized, and engraved for high accuracy, they offer durable, long-lasting performance. Available in mini and full sizes, they simplify complex layouts, reducing markings by half. Made in the USA, these tools deliver unmatched precision for woodworkers. Premium router. Table packages. The Woodpeckers. Premium router table packages deliver a complete professional-grade routing station, built for accuracy and stability. Each package includes a precision flat tabletop, SF-PRO micro-adjustable fence, smooth above the table router lift, heavy-duty adjustable steel stand, and integrated dust collection. With embedded T-tracks, offset fence faces, and mobility options, these all-in-one systems provide repeatable precision, clean operation, and rock-solid performance for serious woodworking projects. Woodworking Edge Trimmer. The Enralimot. Woodworking Edge Trimmer is a compact hand-powered tool built for clean, precise edge finishing. Its sharp high-carbon steel blade easily deburrs and trims edge banding, while the durable Bakelite handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip. The safe V-shaped design prevents board damage and reduces hand strain. Lightweight and portable, it works smoothly on straight or curved edges and handles P, VC, ABS, laminate, melamine, and wood veneer with ease. Wood filler, wood putty. Boncart. Wood filler and putty is a water-based, easy-to-use solution for repairing nail holes, cracks, dents, and surface damage on wood. Its smooth, low viscosity texture applies effortlessly and sands clean once dry. Made from non-toxic formaldehyde-free materials, it's safe for indoor use. The filler offers strong adhesion, durable results, and can be painted or stained to blend seamlessly. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, doors, floors, and DIY wood projects. Spline jig. The tool-cool spline jig is a precision right-angle fixture made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, designed to reinforce miter joints by cutting accurate spline slots on a table saw or router table. Its dual machine compatibility and adjustable corner clamp, 5mm to 42mm, suit projects from small boxes to picture frames. The low-profile design enhances stability, while the safety-conscious structure keeps fingers clear of blades. Built for durability with an anodized finish, it includes an Allen wrench and hex bit for easy manual or drill-assisted operation, ensuring strong, precise, and lasting joinery. Carpenter square. The Sun LF Prod. Carpenter square is a compact multifunctional aluminum alloy tool designed for precision in small-scale woodworking. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum with an anodized finish, it offers durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Its pocket-sized design makes it ideal for tight spaces. Features include a removable flip stop for repeatable lines, precision scribing holes for accurate marking, multi-angle degree measurements, integrated setup blocks for saw and router adjustments, center finding capability, and clear laser-etched imperial and metric scales. Perfect for layout, squareness checks, and general woodworking tasks.